Chemnitz-Zwickau um 15:42 Uhr von Gleis 10. Freiberg, Chemnitz-Zwickau, departing at 15:42 from platform number 10.
Ladies and gentlemen, this train is about 10 minutes delayed due to a technical problem on the trolley line.
Hi! Welcome to my 48-hour series, Prague edition. We just got to Prague and this is what's filming. And this is the bathroom. It is lovely.
I know what you've been through. I know what you like. I know you about it. When we turn off the light, that's right. I know that you want me. Oh, I ain't no fool. We've been going at it for a minute or two. Darling, you got the sweetest heart and I don't want it to break. That frown on your face got me hurting.
Ta-da! My dried face. The view. I don't have so much to say about it, just the next building. I'm out now to have dinner. And I'm just wearing my bomber jacket over my Christmas jumper. I feel like I'm supposed to clean my camera lens, or is it just me? Good morning. So I just finished getting ready. This is my fit for the day. I'm wearing this jumper from Pull&Bear and my black pants. I'm just going to wear like a cream coat over like a beige coat. Just finished my makeup. I don't know how I feel about it, but I guess it's okay. I have like so much mess going around, so I need to clear it first. So when they come to clean this room, then I'm like, who is this? So I'm going to the zoo today and they open at 9. The time right now I think is past 10 and they close at 4, so I think I still have some time and I'm ready. Let me just wear my coat.
Cause baby like, ooh, it's all another flower. The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the long day. Cause baby like, ooh, it's all another flower. The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the long day.
Sun, when I found you, the one you call. You got what I need, always turning my sky blue. I can't guarantee Why don't you come to stay?
Cause baby, like, ooh, it's all another flower lane. The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the long day. Cause baby, like, ooh, it's all another flower lane. The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the long day.
Questo è più vecchio, perché c'è vedi?
Oh, questo è maschio, questo è bianco.
And I've been waiting so long. The time for you has come. I want to show. The rain has been around for cause baby, like, ooh, it's all another flower lane. The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the long day. Cause baby, like, ooh, it's all another flower lane. The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the long day.
Oh God. Good morning. Today is Thursday and it's almost checkout time is 9. I'm leaving Prague today. I'm going to leave the country. Yeah, that should be the last country. Honestly, I'm genuinely tired. I feel like I need to sleep for like a week. See my eyes. And yeah, I lost my earrings, the small ones, so that's why I look that way. But yeah, I'm going to have breakfast, then check out, then heading to the airport. That's it. Ciao. See you guys.
Can't wait for